how to get all Season 5 weapon attachments in Modern Warfare 3 in Warzone. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone, the popular first-person shooter game, has been a fast-paced, action-packed game with a strong multiplayer component. Interestingly, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone Season 5 are going to introduce new maps, new modes, and weapons for the players. Players can now customize their guns using various attachments that would surely enhance their performance. All this came true with the addition of two Battle Pass weapons, the STG-44 and the Static HV in the game. To unlock attachments, players first must have to complete specific challenges or reach certain milestones. The available attachments in Season 5 are the following: Quartermaster Suppressor, unlocked at Tier 10 of the Battle Pass; Paracord Grip, unlocked at Tier 20 of the Battle Pass; and other attachments unlocked through weapon-specific challenges or by reaching certain levels in the Battle Pass. Here's how to unlock all Season 5 weapon attachments in Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone. To unlock Quartermaster Suppressor Muzzle, activate the Unlock Challenge within the Gunsmith or the Armory Unlock section and complete 8 daily challenges. To unlock Paracord Grip Underbarrel, activate the Unlock Challenge within the Gunsmith or the Armory Unlock section and complete 8 daily challenges. To unlock JAK Wide Mouth Barrel, the aftermarket part, complete 5 of 7 Week 1 challenges for Season 5, or complete the Armory Unlock Challenge once Season 5 is over. Here are some other tips and tricks. Focus on completing challenges and reaching milestones to unlock attachments quickly. Experiment with different attachment combinations to find the best fit for your playstyle. And don't forget to check the in-game store for attachment bundles and deals.